Assalamu alaikum. Now we are going to continue with our problem set 43, question 3. If a bus that leaves Nashik at 5 o'clock in the morning reaches Pune that same day at 10:30 in the morning, how long does the journey take? So there is a bus starts at 5 o'clock in the morning from Nashik and reaches Pune same day at 10:30 in morning. So we have to find the time taken by the bus to reach from Nashik to Pune. Understood? So first we will write our statement. Bus leaves from Nashik at what time? 5 o'clock, that is 5 hours and 0 minutes. Second, bus reaches at Pune. What time? 10:30, that is 10 hours 30 minutes. Now we have to find time taken. Yes or no? So we'll write here time taken by bus is equals to 10 hours 30 minutes minus 5 hours 0 minutes. So we are going to write now. So we'll start from here. Hours, minutes. So first we'll write here 10 hours 30 minutes minus 5 hours 0 minutes. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. 0 minus 5 we cannot do, so we will borrow. It will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. So what is the answer here we got? Answer. So the bus, how long the journey take? So we will write the answer. It takes 5 hours and 30 minutes long does the journey take place, or we can say the bus take the time. Does the journey take? Or we can say by bus. So 5 hours 30 minutes long does the journey take by bus. So here long does will not come directly. We will write 5 hours 30 minutes journey take by bus or taken by bus. Understood everyone? So with this we have done question number 3. Now we will move on to our question number 4. Question number 4. A play that was to start at 9:15 at night was delayed by half an hour because of a power outage. What time did the play start? So here there was a play which is to be start at 9:15, but because of the power outage, it got delayed for half an hour. So we have to find at what time the play start. So what we will write the statement first. We'll write play has to be start at 9:15. We will write here play has to be start, that is 9:15. We can say like this, or 9 hours 15 minutes. But it start at what time? Play start, or we can say play got delayed. Play got delayed. How many minutes? 30 minutes. So we have to find at what time the play start. At what time the play start is equals to 9 hours 15 minutes plus 30 minutes. So we will write here hours, minutes. So first 9 hours 15 minutes plus 30 minutes. So 5 plus 0 5, 1 plus 3 4, and 9 will come as it is. So the play start at 9:45 at night. So answer, what we will write the answer here? The play start at 9:45 at night. Understood everyone? So what we have done here, we have done the addition. Now we will move on to our fifth sum. Question number 5. If a train leaves Mumbai at 10:15 at night and reaches Nagpur at 1:40 the next afternoon, how long does the journey take? So here there is a train from Mumbai to Nagpur. It starts at Mumbai at what time? 10:15. Reaches Nagpur next day afternoon at 1:40. So we have to calculate the time between Mumbai to Nagpur the train took to reach Nagpur. Understood? So we will start with the sum. First we will write 24 hours is equals to 1 day. Yes or no? So first we will start with day 1. Understood? So day 1. What happened in day 1? We will first start our calculation. So train starts at 10:15. 10:15. So how we write 10:15 in 12 hours? How we write? At 12 hours we call it as 10:15. So in 24 hours, what we will call it? 22:15. Yes or no? We know that this conversion. Yes or no? Conversion. We know how to convert it. 10 hours and 24 hours. So here at 12 hours it is 10:15, and in 24 hours we call it as 22:15. Understood? So in 1 day there is 24 hours. So we will calculate here first. One day, and we will write here what next? Our train starts. So first day 24 hours 0 minutes, and train starts at 22 hours 15 minutes. So we'll start our calculation, hours and minutes. So we'll write here 24:00 minus 22:15. So can you see that here it is 0? We cannot do the subtraction. So we have to borrow. Here it is 0, here it is 4 and 2. So we cannot take from 4. We have to take the whole. That it becomes 23. Understood? And that is 1 hour. We have taken 1 hour. 1 hour should be converted into minutes. So 1 hour is equals to how much? We know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So we'll do it as 60. So here 60 minus 15 is how much? 45. And here 1. So we got the time of first day. So first day the train travels 1 hour 45 minutes. Now we'll take what? Day 2. Day 2, again 12 hours is 1:40 p.m. Yes or no? Nagpur, it reaches at 1:40. So in 24 hours, how many minutes? Sorry, in 24 hours, what will be the time? 13:40. Understood? Now again we will do the calculation here. So here, hours, minutes. So we will take here 1 hour 45 minutes, 13 hours 40 minutes. We have to do the addition. So 5 plus 0 5, 4 plus 4 8, 1 plus 3 4 and 1 will come as it is. So here you can see that it is 85. So 85 minutes. So we have to we can minus it 60. Yes or no? We can take 1 hour here. So what we will do here? Minus 1 and here 60. Here minus and here. So what we can do here? You can observe it. Plus. So we are taking 1 hour from here and adding here. So it will become 5, 2 and 15. So the train travels how many minutes? How many hours and minutes? 15 hours and 25 minutes. So answer is the journey took 15 hours 25 minutes. Understood? So this is our answer. So how we have done this? You can see here 24 hours, 1 day, 1 hour, 60 minutes. So 24 hours, 10, 15, 12 hours, 10, 15, 24 hours, 22, 15. So we have done here subtraction. So this is our first day. Then second day, how much it traveled? Then we have do the addition. So with this we have got the answer. So we have done problem set 43.